So the tornado siren's about to go off here in La Plata, Maryland. It's up there. I'm not sure the exact mile though. Thank you.
I'm recording now.
Same.
Okay, it's about to go off in a second. Hold on. It's gonna hurt.
This might be a little loud, everyone. Maybe turn your volume down.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Oh well. Fire ants. Oh well. Yeah, we definitely do need tripods. I kind of want to go right underneath it, but I'm gonna destroy my ears if I do. Here you go. You can hear the one over at the fire station way over there. This is gonna be loud, everyone.
This is a test.
That was cool.
This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test. This is a test. This is a test of the emergency warning
You can hear
system.
the echoes.
This is only
No, one over there somewhere.
Ow! That hurt my ears. Hi.
Here's my best friend Lawrence. Go over and subscribe to his YouTube channel, Lawrence VIO. We're doing a collab.
Yes. Hold on.
So I hope you enjoyed the video, everyone. See ya. There's his channel. Bye, everyone.